Today I got the bolts that I need to mount that back into the car, so I'm going to start on that. The game plan is jack that up into place, put the bolts in. There's going to be 4 bolts. Let's see, focus please. One there, one there, one there, and one there. So get that in place. Once that's in place, I will screw into place the sway bar or stabilizer bar and the rack and pinion unit. Get that where the bolts are all in line and stuff. I'm hoping I can do that with that a little down so it'll be easier to get to. We'll see how that works out though. After that, then basically that's it. I mean, I've got a new engine mount too. I got to put the engine mount in. But that's basically it. It's the reverse of removing it, and I've got bungee cords holding everything up, so I'll need to loosen those, so let them drape down. And let me just get under there. It's gonna take a while, and it's getting late already, and it's hot. Okay, change in plan. I went ahead and mounted the cross member, subframe, whatever you want to call it, in and torqued it down to proper specs. There wasn't enough room to make a difference, so I just went ahead and just torqued it down. The bolts, the 2 rear big bolts, torqued to 110. The 2 small little bolts that hold that bracket in place there, those are 15 foot-pounds. And the big bolts in the front, let's see if I can get a picture of it. That bolt right there, those 2 front ones, those you torque down to 100 foot-pounds. So use a floor jack to lift it up and get it into place, and notice how it goes. It goes behind the drive shaft. Let me see if I can get better. The vertical part goes behind the drive shaft, but in front of the stabilizer bar. On both sides, same thing. So now, next, I'm going to loosen those bungee cords and lower that stuff down and try to line up the brackets for the stabilizer and the rack and pinion, and then start bolting those down. I'll be back. Okay, we're mostly back together. I got the rack and pinion torqued down to 75 foot-pounds, and the cross stabilizer bar is torqued to 35 foot-pounds. Now I could not get a torque wrench on those bolts, so I just had to guess it. And also one of the bolts ended up stripping on me, so I just went with it until it snugged completely up, and it did tighten up, so it's fine. But it just cross-threaded, or maybe those threads were bad, I don't know. But there it is. We're mostly done at this point. Still got to put the control arms, lower control arms in, and the ball joint pinch bolts, and the wheels. That's about it. Hard part. Oh, and I also got to do that rear engine mount. That's the next thing I'm going to do, is tackle that, the rear engine mount. That will be next. Well, I think that's it for this video. There'll be one more to clean up, to finish it completely up. Thanks for watching.